Here to see the question for Be by A for deuteron and alpha particle are x1 and x2 respectively. Energy released in the reaction will be H12 plus H12 gives rise to helium-24. This is the question, Nana. According to this question, first I write the equation, Nana. Given data Be by A for first deuterium is given x1, deuterium x1, alpha particle gives rise to x2. This is the question. Here, but we know that Be, first to determine Be. Be means A into x1, A into x1, A into x2, because denominator other side, it becomes a numerator. Here mass number is 2, that's why 2x1. Here mass number is 2, 2x2. Here mass number is 4, that's why 4x2. Here keyword in the problem energy release. Energy release. Energy release means already I discussed the concept, Nana. When the energy release means right minus left, that means products minus reactants. According to chemistry, right side minus left side. ORR energy absorbed means left side minus right side. Here energy release keyword, so that's why right side minus left side. What is the right side here? 4x2 minus, what is the left side? Left side is here x1, here x1, 2x1 plus 2x1, that means 4x1. Once again I repeat, Nana, here keyword is energy release. Energy release means right side minus left side. Energy absorb left side minus right side. So that's why here 4 is common, Nana. Here we get x2 minus x1. This is the formula for energy released. Energy released. Which option? Third option we get. Next, another more question is most important. This is the final exam question, Nana. First, I write equation, Nana. Here, first read question properly. Binding energy per nucleon are 5.3, 6.2, 7.4 MeV for nuclei with mass numbers 3, 4, 5 respectively. If one nucleus of mass numbers 3 combine one nucleus of mass number 5 to give two nuclei of mass number 4. Here Nana simply call as x3 and element with mass number 3 plus 2 x5 according to question gives rise to, Nana, third, fifth combined, it rise x4 here to give mass number 4 2 nucleus. 2 means 2 into x4. According to question, x3 plus x5 gives rise to 2x4. 2x4. This is the equation. Here binding energy by A is given for x3 is 5.3 MeV, x5 is given 7.4 MeV, x4 is given 6.2 into 2. Here we discuss Be. Here Be, Nana. Be means A into 5.3. Here its mass number is 3. So that's why here 3 into 5.3 we get 15.9 here. Here also into A, Nana, 7.4 into 5, Nana, 7.4 into 5. Here 7.4 into 5. Nana, here by A. Here to determine Be. Be means into A. Into here this mass number is 5, Nana. So that's why it get 7 into 5, 35. 37 we get. Here right side. Here its mass number is 4, Nana. So that's why 2 into 6.2 into 4. Here 4 into 2 8. 8 into 6 48. 48. Once again repeat, Nana. 6.2 into 8. 8 to 16 49.6. Here it's finally we get 49.6. Here in the left side completely 15.9 plus 37. Both are add. 37 plus 5, 42, 52. 52.9 in the left side. Right side, we get 49.6. These unbalance release the energy or absorb the energy. Energy is difference between left and right. 52.9 minus 49.6. Here 59.9 minus 49.6 we get 3.3 MeV. 3.3 MeV. Here energy absorber release. First to identify left side energy more, that is energy absorb. Right side energy more, energy release. Here according to this calculation 52.9 is more compared to 49.6. So left side energy more, so that's why here energy will be left side more, energy will be absorbed. Today I discuss exoergic reaction, endoergic reaction. Exoergic reaction means energy release. Energy release means right side energy greater than left side. Energy absorbed means left side energy greater compared to right side. Here left side more, automatically energy is absorbed. Here absorb. Here absorb. Here answer is 3.3 MeV absorbed. This is the right option, Nana. Nana, once again I repeat, energy absorb means left side is more compared to right side. That means reactance is greater than products. Energy release means products greater than reactances. Okay. Next, Nana, I discuss this another last problem, Nana, to see here. For C12, BE by A is given, Nana. BE by A is given 7.68. Here, according to this equation, BE equal to 7.68 into 12 because its mass number is 12. Here it will be multiply 7.68 into 12. 12 8s 96, 72, 81, 84, 92. We get 92.16 MeV energy released for C12. Similarly, C13 BE by A is given. Its value is 7.47. 7.47. Here BE equal to 7.47 into its mass number is 13. We'll get here energy released equal to 7.47 into 13. 37 17 91. 13 fours 52 9 61. 13 sevens 91 plus 6 97.11. This is the here, Nana. Here 97.11 MeV. ఇది C13, నాన్న. ఇది C12. వీటి మధ్య డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత ఉంది? ఇక్కడ 13 న్యూక్లియాన్స్ ఉంటే హియర్ 12 న్యూక్లియాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ద క్వశ్చన్ క్లియర్లీ టు లిజన్. ఎనర్జీ రిక్వైర్డ్ టు రిమూవ్ one neutron. దట్ మీన్స్ 12 న్యూక్లియాన్స్ని బౌండ్ చేయడానికి 92.16 MeV రిక్వైర్. 13 న్యూక్లియాన్స్ని బౌండ్ చేయడానికి అంటే 97.11 MeV రిక్వైర్. దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ 1 న్యూక్లియాన్ ఈజ్ ఎక్సెస్. న్యూక్లియాన్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద న్యూట్రాన్. సో 1 న్యూక్లియాన్ రిమూవ్ చేయాలి అంటే ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్. వాట్ ఈజ్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ? E2 minus E1. What is the E2? 97.11 minus 92.16. Once again I repeat, Nana. Here 12 nucleons bounding energy 92.16. 13 nucleons bounding energy 97.11 MeV. Here 1 nucleon remove. The difference of energy is required. So that's why finally we get 97.11, 92.16. Nearly 11 6 5. 9 6 లో 2 4 4.95 MeV is required. This is the third option. Then today to discuss some more models, to explain some more models, so that's why to see all the problems. Okay.